Hello students, Standard 9th, Chapter number 5, Shubhashita Vaibhavah, in which in our last video we show that what is epigram, the short sloks, the short verses of a poem. It is called epigram. We already seen 4 epigram in our last video. Now we go ahead about our 5th epigram, our 5th verses, in which what the poet tries to explain. Let's see that. Daridraya dhanam deyam gnanam deyam jadaya cha पिपाशिताय पानीयम शुद्धिताय च भोजनम. It means daridraya, it means the poor, garib. The poor should be given dhanam, it means money, wealth, sampatti. The poor should be given money. Gnanam deyam jadaya cha. It means gnanam, it means knowledge. Jadaya, it means ignorant person, a person who are ignorant from everything. It means illiterate person, that kind of that. Ignorant should be given knowledge. Pipashitaya paniyam. Pipashitaya, it means thirsty. Who want to drink water, a thirsty man. Water should be given to thirsty, paniyam, it means water. Gnanam deyam jadaya cha. It means shuddhitayam cha bhojanam. Suddhi, it means hungry person. Suddhitam. Hungry man should be given food. To whom we have to given something. It is described in this epigram. A poor should be given wealth. Ignorant person should be given knowledge. Water should be given to thirsty, and food should be given to a hungry man. Let's go ahead about the 6th epigram. Lobhat krodhah prabhavati, lobhat kamah prajayate. It means lobhat krodha, it means anger. Anger originates from greed. How the anger comes? When we are when feeling of greedy came into our mind, into our soul, into our heart, at that how we are feeling greedy. Anger originated from the greed. Lobhat kramah prajayate. It means desire is born out of greed. Desire also come out from the greed. So greed is the main purpose of all anger and the desire. Lobhana mohasya nashasya lobha papasya karanam. Temptation and destruction are caused by the greed. Lobhana moha, it means temptation. Lobha, temptation and destruction are caused by the greed. Papasya karanam, it means lobha papasya karanam. Lobha, it means greed again. Greed is the cause of sin. Sin, it means papa. Again, lobhat krodha prabhavati, anger originate from the greed. Lobhat kama prajayate, it means desire is born out of greed. लोभात् क्रोधो प्रभवन्ति. Anger originates from the greed. लोभात् कामो प्रजायते. लोभ पापस्य कारणम. Greed is the cause of sin. Let's go ahead about our seventh. तक्षकस्य विषम दन्ते मक्षिका श्व मस्तके. वृक्षिकस्य विषम पृच्छे सर्वांगने दुर्जनस्य तत. तक्षकस्य विषम दन्ते. Takshakya, it means the wicked person, a bad person. A wicked person is more poisonous than snake. Actually, we felt that snake is the most poisonous insects. But a person who is wicked by their deed, by their work, is more poisonous than snake. Makshikasya mastake, a fly and the scorpion. Vrukshikasya visham prutse, it means scorpion poison is lived in its tail. Sharvangana durjanasya tatah, a bad person, a wicked person, poison is whole body. We said that. Takshakasya visham dante. Takshakasya, it means a fly. Visham dante, a snake's poison is in its teeth. We said that it bites from our teeth. Makshikasya mastake, a bee's poison is on its head. Vrukshikasya visham pruchi, scorpion, it means witchy. Scorpion poison is in its tail. But a bad man, a wicked man, poison is the whole body. The whole body is poisonous. Let's go ahead. Utsave vyashane chaiva durbikshe shatru vepalavi. Rajdware श्मशाने च यस्ति तिष्ठति च बांधवः. It means one who stand in the festival, utsava vyashane, a person, a man who stand in the festival as well as the calamity. Not only they accompanied into our good time, but also in our bad time. Feminine in war with enemy. In the royal assembly, well, incrimination is relative. A true relative is that who accompanied us in our good time as well as in our bad time. So here we completed our Subhashita Vaibhavaha, 8 epigrams that are given some moral message to us, that are given some sociology to us, that the epigram teach us something. Here we completed our 5th chapter. In next video we will go ahead about our 6th one.